I got a question asking to clarify what lines the planes on angle at the headstock end of the neck go on, the various ones. And these are those four planes. There's the plane on angle that is your headstock angle. There's a plane on angle at the back side of the nut, a plane on angle at the front side of the nut, and a plane on angle at the transition. Let's see if I can clarify. Let's turn off some sketches so we can see exactly where some of these come from. Okay, so this is the fretboard link that came in. So this is the nut end of the fretboard, which is the side of the nut closest to the bridge, right? And then there's this line in here. Why did that nut surface? No, I don't want that. End of transition line that we've drawn in here. And so this is your transition end plane. That's the first one that you put in. It goes on this line here that we dimensioned off of the nut line. And then you have the fretboard nut end plane, which goes on the end of the fretboard, that line at the end of the fretboard. Okay, and then we draw in our nut surface here. So now this line is the back side of the nut, and that is where the headstock face plane goes, right here. Not angle, face, right here. Goes on that line at the end. And then the plane on angle that defines the angle of the headstock goes on that same line as the nut end, as the headstock face. Okay, so that is those planes. I'm going to turn them all off in just one at a time so it's clear. Transition end goes on that line we drew and dimensioned off the nut end. Fretboard nut end goes on the line that is the end of the fretboard. Headstock stock angle goes on the line that is the back side of the nut, and the headstock face goes on that same line. I hope that clears it up. Let me know in the questions, comments.